line is equipped with the most advanced heat treatment equipment. Temperature and speed are controlled throughout the production process, so that the obtained hot-rolled steel balls have consistent quality. The production is also very efficient, which greatly reduces energy consumption and labor costs. Via sophisticated heat treatment, the steel balls enjoy uniform internal microstructure and evenly distributed hardness gradient. They wear evenly throughout the grinding process, so that the steel ball ratio of a ball mill is kept balanced and the effective grinding stage is longer.